The first rays of dawn paint the garden with a warm golden light. A gentle mist hangs in the air, clinging to the freshly tilled soil. The earth is dark and rich, full of the promise of life. It is a blank canvas, ready for the masterpiece of the gardening year. We carefully select our seeds, each one a tiny vessel of potential. Gently we place them in the earth. We tuck them in, surrounding them with the warmth of the soil, like a mother hen with her chicks. With a hopeful heart, we water them, knowing that nature will work its magic. The garden is still and quiet, but beneath the surface, a silent symphony is about to begin. The journey from seed to harvest is a testament to the power of nature and the cycle of life. Days turn into nights, and still the garden seems to sleep, but beneath the surface, a transformation is taking place. The seeds have awakened. Tiny roots burrow down, seeking moisture and nutrients. They are the anchors, securing the plant to the earth. A tiny shoot pushes its way upwards, driven by an unseen force. It is pale and fragile, but determined. It yearns for the light. The sun's warmth penetrates the soil, urging the seed to reach ever higher. The first sign of life appears above the soil. A delicate green arch, a testament to the power of nature. The seed has become a seedling, a promise of life fulfilled. The garden is now a sea of vibrant green. Rows of tiny seedlings stand tall, their leaves unfurling like flags of life. Each one is a testament to the power of nature, a reminder that even the smallest of things can achieve great things. The sun climbs higher in the sky, bathing the garden in its warmth. The seedlings bask in the light, their leaves drinking in the energy they need to grow. The air is fresh and clean, filled with the scent of damp earth and new life. The garden is a hive of activity. Worms wriggle through the soil, aerating it and enriching it with their castings. Bees buzz from plant to plant, their gentle hum a soundtrack to the garden's growth. Life begets life, a delicate balance of interconnectedness. The plants grow taller with each passing day, their stems thickening, their leaves broadening. They are no longer fragile seedlings, but strong and vibrant young plants. They stretch towards the sun, their leaves reaching for the life-giving light. Their roots delve deeper into the soil, anchoring them firmly and drawing up the nutrients they need to thrive. They are a testament to the power of resilience, of nature's ability to overcome adversity and flourish. The garden is a symphony of green, a testament to the power of growth and the beauty of nature's design. Each plant is unique, yet they all share the same drive to survive, to thrive, to reach their full potential. Section 5. A symphony of colors and textures, the garden in full bloom. The garden is now a riot of color, a vibrant tapestry woven by nature's hand. Flowers bloom in a dazzling array of hues, their petals delicate and fragrant. Bees and butterflies dance among the blooms, their wings carrying pollen from one flower to another, perpetuating the cycle of life. The air is sweet with the scent of blossoms, a heady perfume that attracts pollinators from far and wide. The garden hums with the sound of bees, their busy work a vital part of the ecosystem. The leaves of the plants, once delicate and pale green, are now deep and rich in color, each one a testament to the power of the sun's energy. They rustle gently in the breeze, creating a soothing symphony of sound. Section 6. Nature's Symphony, a Chorus of Life. The garden is alive with a symphony of sounds. The gentle hum of bees is joined by the chirping of crickets, the rustling of leaves in the breeze, and the melodic songs of birds. It is a chorus of life, a celebration of the interconnectedness of all living things. The warmth of the sun draws out the scent of the flowers, creating a heady perfume that hangs in the air. The scent of freshly turned earth mingles with the sweet fragrance of blossoms, creating an intoxicating aroma that speaks of life and growth. As the sun begins to set, casting long shadows across the garden, the sounds change. The daytime chorus fades, replaced by the gentle chirping of crickets and the soft hooting of an owl. The garden settles into a peaceful stillness, resting after a day of growth and activity. Section 7. Gifts of the Earth, the Bounty of the Harvest. The time has come to reap the rewards of our labor. The garden, once a blank canvas, is now laden with the fruits of our efforts. Tomatoes hang heavy on the vine, their skin taut and glossy. Beans bulge from their pods, plump and ready to be picked. The air is filled with the sweet scent of ripe fruit and vegetables, a tantalizing aroma that speaks of nourishment and abundance. The colors are vibrant and rich, a feast for the eyes as well as the body. We carefully gather the harvest, our hands stained with the juice of ripe berries and the earth itself. Each fruit and vegetable is a testament to the power of nature, a gift from the earth to be savored and shared. Section 8. The cycle continues from garden to table and back again. The bounty of the harvest graces our tables. Freshly picked tomatoes, bursting with flavor, form the base of a simple salad. Zucchini, picked just hours before, is transformed into a delicious soup. Each bite is a celebration of the garden's journey, a reminder of the connection between the earth and our well-being. But the cycle doesn't end there. Scraps from the kitchen find their way back to the garden, enriching the soil and providing nourishment for the next generation of plants. Compost bins hum with activity, transforming kitchen waste into valuable fertilizer. The cycle of life continues, a beautiful and intricate dance between growth, decay, and renewal. The garden teaches us that nothing is wasted, that everything has a purpose, and that we are all connected to the natural world. Section 9, conclusion, a sanctuary of growth, nourishment, and peace. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the garden, we take a moment to reflect on the journey we have witnessed. From the planting of the first seed to the harvest of the last fruit, the garden has been a source of wonder, joy, and connection. It has taught us about the power of nature, the importance of patience, and the deep satisfaction that comes from nurturing life. It has provided us with nourishment for our bodies and solace for our souls. The garden is a sanctuary, a place where we can connect with nature, ourselves, and the cycle of life. It is a reminder that even in the midst of our busy lives, there is always time to slow down, to appreciate the simple things, and to find peace in the rhythm of the natural world.